Engineering, the perfect partnership between physics and design. A tangible record of man's greatest achievements. Created out of necessity, perfected with technology, and built to endure the test of time. The world is altered by these creations. Some assist our way of life, some promote our demise. Engineering is a complex, mysterious, and ingenious idea brought to life by invention. Machines used to build machines. Some have limited purpose, superseded by a new idea, but every so often, that idea becomes a mechanical masterpiece, one that cannot be surpassed and cannot be made redundant by a new design. The two-stroke engine is one such masterpiece. Its power-to-weight ratio is superior, 30% higher than the equivalent capacity four-stroke. It's naturally aspirated, needing no assistance from an accelerator pump or fuel injection. It achieves a full power cycle with just two strokes of its piston: induction, compression, combustion, and exhaust. There are no valves controlling each phase. Instead, the piston reveals exhaust and intake ports set in the lower half of the cylinder. The piston travels up the cylinder like a syringe, drawing air and fuel into the crankcase through a one-way reed valve. It's an organic exchange of vacuum and pressure as the piston pumps fuel and air into the cylinder. Intake ports direct the fresh charge to the cylinder head while combusted gas is venting simultaneously through the exhaust ports. At 10,000 RPM, the spark plug ignites 166 contained explosions of power every second. A two-stroke achieves this rate of combustion thanks to the exhaust being shaped like a musical instrument. It harnesses sound waves emitted from combustion and reflects them back toward the exhaust port to momentarily reverse the flow of gas. This forces escaping fuel and air mixture back into the cylinder, which supercharges the engine at high RPM. A two-stroke reaches maximum power when the returning sound wave meets the exhaust port at the exact stroke of compression. This is when it hits that magic note. This is when a two-stroke is on the pipe. There's no other engine like it. There's nothing like two-stroke power, and there's really nothing like the power of sound.